Hi guys, welcome back to our third episode of Blox. So today, I'm gonna play Blox, so I'm gonna pick pirates. And I'm still on level 60. And I got nearly 60, and I killed one boss. What island should we get next? We can go to Desert Island next. Okay. Okay, the Desert Island is here. Where could be our boat? Oh, it's right here. Oh, now I need to get to Desert Island. Okay. Okay, this is Desert Island. Desert Island is near. But it's near to Fountain City. And we're gonna go to episode 1000 for max level. Or I'm gonna get to the second sea. Okay. I'm gonna talk to this guy. Level 60. Okay. Oh, yeah. That takes a lot of damage to a desert bandit. Okay, no, I just don't want to. I just want to upgrade my Buddha. Okay, I'm running away. Yeah, that's a lot of sounds. Don't see Okay, I think I'm getting a very good progress right now. Okay, maybe I should do it like that. Maybe that will. Okay, the desert bandits are getting up. Wait, I need to get the sword. Okay, how do you get the big boat? to kill me for no reason. Why is he trying to be so mean? And I have to kill 3 more. And I need to upgrade my Buddha. He's trying to kill me when I try to upgrade my Buddha. Okay. Now, bro, I'm gonna eat. He just killed me for me. Who did that? Okay. Okay. Okay, I think okay, let me kill this dude. Oh. Now he stole my boat. And I don't know what should I do. Now I need to go to Pirate Village. And I need to get my new sword. Okay, now I can get my sword. $25,000. Okay, I'll buy it. Okay, can I go item while busy? Okay. That's cool. Let's see what that does. I think I have seen this before. Whoa, that's cool. Okay, desert island is kind of so. Desert island is taking so short to get here. Okay. 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 I have no bandage now. Smash! Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. I think there's one more trying to kill me. So I need to wait. Okay, come on. Yes! Okay, yeah. Okay, I need to get 4 more. Okay, here's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Here's 4. 4 of them are following me and trying to kill me. Okay, now he's trying to kill me. Okay. Z. X. Oh, yeah. I think I need 2 more. 2 more. Come on. Yeah. Yes! Yeah! I got it now. No, I need to upgrade my Blox route and my defense also. Okay, so I'm kind of getting little distracted. That's right. So I'm gonna do the quest again. What if I do the desert office? I'm gonna do that. This is the desert office. Okay, they're kind of weak. Okay, now I need to talk to this guy again and do the desert bandage. After I do the quest 2 times, then I will 2 or 3 or 4 times, then I will do the desert office. Okay, 4 of them are coming. I wish there's more. There's only 4 of them. Okay. Oh. Dang it. Now they're trying to. Okay. Okay, yeah, I can finally do the Buddha thing. Okay, I just killed someone. I just killed 3 of them, except for this guy. Okay, I need 4 more. Okay, 4 more. Okay, I just killed all of them. Okay, no. This is getting bad. This is getting bad. Okay. Oh, I went to the safe place. Now they cannot kill me. Are they? Okay. No, I just killed one of them. Dang it. Yes! And I got to 65. Now it's getting ours. Okay. I better be better. And I got to 65. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my video if you like it. Bye!